1, ignition, and liftoff of the Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go Starlink.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Vehicle is pitching downrange. Power and telemetry nominal. Vehicle is supersonic. Max Q.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Engines full power. And liftoff. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
Stage 1 chamber pressure is nominal.
Falcon 9 power and telemetry are nominal.
Throttle down.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
Throttle up.
Maximum aerodynamic pressure.
3, 2, 1, ignition, liftoff of the Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go Starlink.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Vehicle is supersonic. Max Q.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of Soyuz MS-27, Kim, Ryzhikov, and Zabritsky begin a sprint for a marathon mission on the International Space Station. Good thrust. Soyuz arcing out to the northeast. Good roll, pitch, and yaw program reported.
Thrusters operating nominally.
All first stage engines operating normally according to the engineers at the blockhouse in Baikonur. 40 seconds into the flight. The vehicle parameters are all reported to be stable.
Stable at 40 seconds. Everything nominal on board.
1 minute into the flight, the International Space Station flying directly over the Baikonur Cosmodrome. The Soyuz booster passing through the area of maximum dynamic pressure.
The crew is feeling good.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go NROL 192.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
M1D propulsion is nominal.
At T plus 30 seconds and counting, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Slick 4E at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. Now, in case you're just joining us, this is the NROL 192 mission for the National Reconnaissance Office, and we just had an on-time liftoff today at 5:25 a.m. Pacific Time.
Avionics, power and telemetry nominal.
Good call out there. Coming up next, the vehicle will be passing through Max Q.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
The vehicle will be passing through Max Q, which is the point in the mission profile where the vehicle experiences the greatest amount of aerodynamic pressure as it ascends through the Earth's atmosphere.
Max Q.
And there's that call out there.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Falcon, go Starlink. Vehicle's pitching downrange.
Engine chamber pressures are nominal.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Vehicle is supersonic. Max Q. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Falcon, go Starlink. Vehicle's pitching downrange.
Engine chamber pressures are nominal.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Vehicle is supersonic. Max Q.
Six, 5, 4, command engine start, 2,
1, ignition. Liftoff. New Shepard has cleared the tower.
Flight. 6,000 feet climbing. Begin throttle down for Q limiting. Engine response looks good. Max Q, maximum dynamic pressure.
Ignition and liftoff. Telemetry of the Northrop Grumman Minotaur 4 launch vehicle on the L-174 mission for the National Reconnaissance Office. Attitude nominal. Vehicle is heading downrange. TVC is operating properly, controlling the vehicle. About 10 seconds, max Q.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff of the Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go NROL 145.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
At T plus 35 seconds and counting, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Slick 4E at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. In case you're just joining us, this is the NROL 145 mission
Telemetry nominal.
for the National Reconnaissance Office. We just had an on-time liftoff today
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
at 5:29 a.m. Pacific time. Coming up next, the vehicle will be passing through max Q, which is the point in the mission profile where the vehicle experiences the greatest amount of aerodynamic pressure.
Max Q.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Falcon, go Dragon.
And liftoff. NASA's SpaceX 32nd Commercial Resupply Services mission is on its way to the International Space Station, carrying over 3 tons of science and supplies to Expedition 73 as it begins its pitch downrange.
Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Launch Complex 39A at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. During ascent, we tilt or gimbal the engines, guiding the rocket into what we call a gravity turn. During this turn, the vehicle is flying both up and
power and telemetry nominal.
horizontally away from the launch pad. Everything is looking good. In just a few moments here, you'll hear the call out for max
Falcon
Q.
is supersonic.
Falcon is now faster than the speed of sound, and max Q is the period of maximum aerodynamic pressure that the vehicle will see in ascent.
Max Q.
There.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Engines full power and liftoff. Go Falcon, go Bandwagon 3.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal. Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Now at the T plus 32 second moment, Falcon 9 has lifted off from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. We are currently throttling down to prepare for max Q, the point of maximum aerodynamic stresses.
Power and telemetry nominal.
On the vehicle, good call out there for power and telem nominal. You can monitor the vehicle's telemetry in the lower left-hand corner of your screen.
Vehicle is supersonic. Max Q.
10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Salute. It's over. It's over is to change the direction of the flight from vertical direction to the eastern mode.
So it's a slight adjustment in the flight trajectory.
So beautiful.
And there it is, that's the Shenzhou 20.
So we can hear the voice of the ground station that the tracking is normal. And you can see this beautiful view of the launch vehicle.
How many adjustments would the rocket normally have to make in its trajectory on the way there? Is there a set calculated?
It will change its direction continuously. Okay, look, this is the camera mounted on the launch vehicle, looking backward.
Yeah, we're getting a really good view because it's daytime as well.
And also you can see 2 of the 4 rocket boosters, each with a diameter of 2.25 meters.
Those will be jettisoned a little bit later on in the flight.
Usually at about 120 seconds after liftoff.
I imagine the Shenzhou 19 crew are sitting there remembering, recalling when they were lifting off.
You can still see the camera inside the cabin, but although the
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition, and liftoff. Go SpaceX, go Starlink.
Vehicle is pitching downrange. Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Falcon 9 power and telemetry are nominal.
Vehicle is supersonic. Max Q.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff. Go Starlink, go Falcon.
MOD propulsion is nominal.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Vehicle is supersonic. Max Q.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff of Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go Starlink.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal. Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Falcon 9 is supersonic. Max Q.
T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We have ignition, 2, 1.
Ignition and full thrust. 5 good SRBs.
And liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket, carrying satellites for Amazon's Project Kuiper internet constellation, marking the start of a new chapter in low Earth orbit satellite connectivity.
You is now on closed loop control. Engaging first throttle segment. And we've completed our pitch program. Engine operating parameters continue to look good. And we've successfully completed our roll program. Hydraulics continue to operate nominally. Mach 1, Atlas V is now supersonic. Body rates continue to look good. Engine continues to operate as expected. Throttling back up.
You are hearing Sarah Bailey Glasgow providing launch vehicle ascent data.
We are now 7 miles in altitude, moving at 1,700 miles an hour. Now passing 1 minute into flight. Vehicle continues to pass through the center of the rain track as expected. SRBs continue to operate nominally. Throttling down, engine continues to burn as expected. Body rates continue to look good. Vehicle is now 1/2 of its liftoff weight. Max Q passing through maximum dynamic pressure.
T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
M1D chamber pressure is nominal.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Falcon 9 is supersonic. Max Q.
Neuf, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top, allumage P120, décollage. Propulseur nominal, début du basculement. Propulseur nominal. Pilotage calme. Trajectoire nominale. Acquisition Saint-Jean. Trajectoire toujours nominale.
Sunrise over the Amazon rainforest and biomass has started its journey, blazing a trail on board the Legacy rocket on its quest to understand forests just like the one it's lifted off from, on its mission for Earth and for our future. We can hear it flying over the...
Amazing pictures. And
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff of flight 6 on the LeRoi go atmosphere launch.
Flight operator, transition to ascent ops, ground operators, please. Position to ground, channel frequency.
Vehicle supersonic. Max Q.